Some of Hollywood's biggest stars are celebrating a landmark decision by the Supreme Court. On Monday, the Supreme Court ruled that it is illegal for an employer to fire someone because of their sexual orientation or gender identity. The 6-3 ruling adds LGBTQ people to Title VII of the Civil Rights Act, which already protected against discrimination based on sex, race, color, national origin, and religion. Justice Neil Gorsuch wrote, "An employer who fires an individual merely for being gay or transgender defies the law." Many celebs were quick to celebrate the news on social media.
I'm Ellen and I'm gay.
Ellen DeGeneres tweeted about the historic moment. Kerry Washington shared a bunch of colorful heart emojis.
I'm a big LGBT advocate. Anytime I can show my support, I will, and I'll show up. It's awesome.
Meghan McCain wrote that the ruling was huge and long overdue.
And it's really great to see.
Cynthia Nixon said it was a huge victory for LGBTQ rights, and Mandy Moore wrote that the news is a bright spot in a dark time.
It's exciting.
Busy Phillips, Jonathan Van Ness, George Takei, Clay Aiken, Hillary Clinton, Anthony Rapp, and Candace Cain also shared their excitement. And in a series of tweets, Justin Makita wrote about the landmark win for LGBTQ equality, adding, quote, "I love the idea that someday all will be treated with equal dignity and respect." Tennis legend Billie Jean King tweeted that Monday's decision was a huge win for the LGBTQ community. The Supreme Court ruled that living authentically is not a fireable offense. Janet Mock tweeted that the ruling is a victory hard won in the courts and on the streets.
I'm deeply hopeful by the work that everyday people are taking to challenge conversations at their own dinner tables.
ET caught up with Janet last week, and she addressed the transgender community, explaining that the fight for equality starts with your inner circle.
Starting exactly where you are at your kitchen table with your family, your community, your chosen loved ones, that you have those conversations there. And then from there you build more and more and more. To be an activist or to be a co-conspirator in our movement.
An accomplice almost.
Yeah, yes, an accomplice, exactly.
Yeah.
We have to be active, and we have to be consistent, and we have to do the uncomfortable work of checking and challenging conversations.
GLAAD President and CEO Sarah Kate Ellis also responded to the ruling, telling ET in a statement, quote, "The Supreme Court's historic decision affirms what shouldn't have even been a debate. LGBTQ Americans should be able to work without fear of losing jobs because of who they are. The decision gives us hope that as a country, we can unite for the common good and continue the fight for LGBTQ acceptance."